welcome to another show of a beautiful piece of farm equipment right here. As you can see, we have here a really nice sugar beet harvester. I have already shown in a previous video the Halma Terradas sugar beet harvester, and I will put a link down below in the description box. If you haven't seen the video, please check it out. And I decided today to show you this really incredible Ropa V83 Tiger XL Euro, and this is an even larger version of a sugar beet harvester. Now the Terradas from Halmer that I had shown in a previous video was a 6-row sugar beet harvester. This is a 9-row sugar beet harvester, and it has a lot of functional features, movable parts and everything. So I thought it would be really super exciting to get this out of the box, unpack it actually, and bring it out to show it to you. So here it is, and I will have some music with it, and then also add the Deutz 7000 series and the Joskin tip trailer into the video to emphasize the unloading of the sugar beets into a trailer. So hope you will enjoy this video, and stay tuned for at the end of the video for my final concluding words. friends, I hope you enjoyed this. As you can see, it's really had a lot of movable parts, a lot more details to it than the other model that I had shown before. And all the fold-out mirrors, and it's got a lot more like details like the lights and everything, the fold-out ladders and everything. Just really a very beautiful model. And then also, of course, we have here the really beautiful Deutz 7000 series TTV, very nice detailed model, both by Siku. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me the thumbs up. Leave me some nice comments down below in the comment section. And stay tuned for next week for another amazing video that will come up for your entertainment. Hugs, love, and kisses. Mwah. Toodles.